In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by using ChatGPT and not two, but three other powerful websites. So this is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial. I'm pretty sure that you don't want to miss it. Chances are, guys, that you're wondering, like, Diana, is this something that is actually working worldwide? Yes, it is. So please keep watching the entire video. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial of how you can use this really powerful AI tool, which is ChatGPT, and earn money with this. One of the cool thing about ChatGPT, guys, is the fact that it do, I will say, like 95% of the job for you. So you don't need to be worrying about certain things that the tool does. Let me show you. You want to make sure that we are going to be on the same page. Let me share with you my screen right now. First of all, guys, let me tell you a disclaimer here. I mean, this is a situation that has been happening. First of all, there is someone, a person or a group of people who are creating fake YouTube profiles, okay? Asking people to reach them via WhatsApp. Okay, I don't use WhatsApp. So if you notice that there is someone reaching you with my picture, with my profile picture, asking you to reach them on WhatsApp, that's definitely not me. Another situation that I realize, and this is because the community let me know, is that there is there is a person, there is a company, there is a group of people who knows that they're using part of one of my videos and they took it out of context. Okay, they took it out of context and they are showing it on this video as if I'm using an app. I'm not 100% sure if this app is a game, but what people told me is an app that is promising, people to make money online. Actually do not use any kind of games to make money online. I'm not promoting that. Okay, someone, as I told you, it's using part of my video and they took it 100% out of context and they're using me as a testimonial. So if you saw a video that it's outside of this YouTube channel, hey, report it, okay? Because that's definitely not me. Now, let me show you everything step by step. Let's go to the strategy. Okay, so here's my screen. As you can see, here is ChatGPT, and I have been using this for a really good time because I really enjoy it. Okay, so I really enjoy it. And there is another website that we're going to be using that is this one. It's called ClickBank. So you can go to clickbank.com and you can create your account. I know that for some reason, ClickBank do not work in certain countries. Don't worry, I got you covered. You can use this other tool that is called Digistore 24. Okay, so you can go to Digistore 24. Right now, you're going to be wondering like, okay, Diana, what is this? I never heard about this Digistore 24 or this ClickBank. Well, these are marketplaces in which people give us the opportunity to sell their products or services, and we're going to be earning money. So we don't have to deal about, or we don't have to worry about customer service, tech support, even creating a product or service. They already have done everything for us. I'm going to be using ClickBank, but you can follow this same strategy with Digistore 24. Okay, so here in ClickBank, you're going to see that we have several categories. Okay, this is the same with Digistore 24. Here we have some of the categories. Here we have the top offers, the new offers, and if you already save an offer, you're going to have it here. But if you click here where it says all, you're going to notice that we do have even more categories. So they are what we call the top 3 categories on the internet if you're really serious about earning money online. And this doesn't mean that you cannot earn money with others. Okay, but these are like the best of the best, which is health, wealth, and relationship. Okay, so in my example, I'm going to go with the health and fitness niche. Okay, so you're going to see that we have, for example, beauty, dietary supplements, exercise, fitness, nutrition. Okay, so we're gonna go to the main page, which is this one: view all health and fitness products. Okay, and you're gonna notice that we do have tons of products, but I want to make sure that you're gonna be sorted this by gravity, so it goes from high to low. What does gravity means? Okay, gravity means that there is a lot of people out there who are promoting this product, but not only that, people are getting results. They're earning money. So you're going to notice, for example, that we have this product in which you can earn on average almost $140. Yes, you hear right, $140. We have this other one, 136. We have this other one, which is 125. 120. So you're gonna see over $100 you can earn with this. Okay, you can earn with this. So really, really, really amazing. And even here people on average are earning $29, but you can earn up to $100 per sale. Okay, so we're gonna go with the smoothie diet 21-day rapid weight loss program. Okay, so now, Diana, can I go with these other process? Yes. This is just for example, because this is just an example that we're going to be doing or we are going to be using here in this video. Now, if you check here, you're going to see that we have what we call the affiliate page. The top products do have the affiliate page. Okay. So that means that these people are really serious and they're going to give you resources. Okay. They're going to give you resources. Let me show you. For example, we have here the fact that you're going to be earning 75% commission. Okay. They do have massive payouts, top performing. Okay. Demographies, ideas, and all that stuff. So now, we already have the product that we want to go with. Actually, we already have the niche that we want to go with. Okay. And we have the first product that we're going to be promoting. So now, how we're going to combine this with ChatGPT? Okay. First of all, you already noticed that I already went to ChatGPT. Okay. And there are some things that I have been using this in the past, and I want to show you. Okay, for example, I asked ChatGPT, hey, write a 10-chapter ebook about the fastest and easiest way for busy moms and dads to lose weight. So it gave me the introduction. It gave me 10 chapters, okay, because that's what I asked, okay? This is like the outline. Then I asked ChatGPT, like, hey, can you write me a 300-word chapter for, for chapter one? Of course, it took the introduction. Boom. Now I have the introduction. Then I wanted to write, the same 300 word for chapter two. So here have under, chapter two, and I can do the same for all 10 chapters. I'm not going to do this for this training, but this is how it works. So you see that, hey, ChatGPT, it's an AI tool that give me the opportunity to write an ebook in record time. Okay. So let's say that I'm gonna do this, okay, here with you guys. Okay, can you write me a 300 chapter? Okay, for chapter 3, because boom, you're literally, it's that simple. Now, okay, the AI tool is doing its magics. Okay, so really simple, pretty impressed, right? I know. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Also, let me know where you guys are from, because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating that is content that is actually available in your area. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area as well, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. So now let me go back to the video. And now, well, as simple as that, I already have 3 chapters. So really easy, really simple. What we need in order to, to make money online with this, okay, there are a couple of things. First, okay, we need what we call like a capture page, okay, because people are not like right there like, hey, I want to buy everything that is in front of me, okay, but people can grab a free ebook, okay, if they are committed in this case, to have the weight loss process, okay, they can grab a free ebook And on that free ebook, I can share with them, my link. I'm going to show you how you can create it. Okay. It's really simple. You can go to Canva. Okay. Here on canva.com, we can create several things. Okay. But I'm going to go with an ebook, and you're going to see that I do have tons of templates. Okay. I do have tons of templates. For example, where to invest your money. In my case, I'm not going to go with that, but I can replace this healthy snack. Okay. That is already giving me the layout. Or we can go with this introduction to keto diet, but I really don't want to go. In my case, it's not keto. I will need to replace other things. Or maybe you like this layout, but it's not related to money. Or you like this other layout, but it's not related, uh, you know, to this. But no worries, okay? No worries, because with Canva, it's literally a drag and drop, okay? You're going to click on the one that you want to choose. Click here where it says customize this template. And you're going to see that I literally can write it here. Okay, I can write something like powerful tips about how to lose weight if you're a busy mom and dad by Diana Castillo. Okay, so here you can play with this. One cool thing, if you see here on the left side, you have other options. You can add, different type of text. You can add elements. Okay. So you can even upload images if you want to. You have a lot of freedom with Canva. So that's one of the things that I really, really like. Okay. Now, okay, we have the product. ChatGPT wrote the ebook. You already did the layout here on canva.com. Okay. We need to deliver it. Okay. One cool tool that I use really often, it's this one, Aweber. Okay. So I'm going to be leaving the link below so you can create your free Aweber account. And you're going to click here where it says landing pages. Here on landing pages, you are going to see that we have different type of pages. But we are going to go with one that is actually the one that we're going to be using to capture pages. Okay, so it's called this one, opt-in. Okay, here on opt-in means, okay, that people need to type in their first name, well, and valid email address so we can deliver this. For example, you can use, and this is the same with Canva, you can go with promotion book, okay, with this one, and you're going to see that here we can put the cover that we can create on Canva, and we are going to be replacing this text. Diana, I don't have any kind of idea of what to write. Don't worry. Use ChatGPT. Okay, that's the reason why we have that really, really powerful tool. Okay, so you can go with ChatGPT. Okay, and we need eyeballs. So how are we going to grabbing attention, to people? Well, you can use Instagram, you can use TikTok, you can use YouTube, and you don't need to create a really long video like this one. You can use what we call YouTube Shorts, and you can invite people to, click on your link, and we are going to be sending this. Okay, now you might be wondering, like, Dana, I don't know anything about email marketing. Okay, remember what I told you? Okay, any amazing product have what they call the affiliate page. So if you see here, okay, here we have get emails. Okay, here on get emails, here we have what we call the email swipes. Okay, the email swipes are literally emails that people, can copy and paste, and you are going to be delivering, you know, um, not only your ebook, but also the fact that you're going to be delivering valuable information, and you are also going to have the opportunity to make sell to this clickbank offer, which is what we want. And what other thing can happen? Okay, we have tons of products as on clickbank, and the same with the store 24. So you can, okay, you can promote other products as via email as well. So this is actually A great way for you guys to get started if you're really serious about making money online. If you want to learn even more about making money online, with my number one recommendation to make money online, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Okay, that's going to be the very first link in the description. Don't miss the opportunity to have positive change in your life, guys. So check the very first link in the description. This is it for this video, and I see you on the next video.